Welcome everyone to my new video presentation where Chainlink is not giving up. Today I would like to share with you a price prediction about it and talk about what's happening for the past days of November. We're actually in 20th of November today. Discovering that it's still trending, discovering the fact that it still has the great ability of reaction for the past 24 hours. It is up by 5.7%. Whenever the market is giving a little bit of space of breathing, Chainlink is dominating, which is a good sign. Now, amongst the top ones, the top altcoins, Chainlink is doing above the average for the past 30 days. Of course, it is difficult to compete with a medium cap or small cap altcoins that some of them are increasing a lot more because of their volatility index permission. So that's a total different thing. Just like when you see them decreasing, you are facing basically some crazy numbers. Now, before we get into the topic, make sure to check out the main YouTube channel as well. And like this video that you're watching. If you enjoy the content, ask me questions in the comments area. And we're going to get into the business. As well, if you value and believe education is important, we have a one-on-one coaching. I'm going to talk about it at the end. A completely done-for-you trading where you can join without upfront fees, only commission from the profits we make. As well, the ability for you to schedule for yourself a free conversation on Calendly with me. So, I'm going to talk about all of those at the end of the video. Right now, I want to speak to you on daily candlestick for Link, or Chainlink. And there are a couple of important things. Just like I said in my last video, it's easy to get rejected from the upper line of the VWAP, volume weighted average price. That starts basically from the prior structure and it continues with a price action and follows it in a very efficient way. Therefore, we have been rejected quite strongly. The retracement percentage is not a joke. It is a 23%. If you're on 5x leverage, that's more than 100% on your margin. If you are on 3x leverage, that is actually 66% on your margin. So we're actually talking about strong numbers that liquidated quite a lot of the people, and it was a healthy situation out there for all of us to proceed. On the other side, we did reacted very strongly as expected on our market demand level. That is, in a few words, that is essential. Why is it so? Well, simply because we have been sort of holding the $12.9, $13 major demand area. This was indicated by me quite a long time ago when the price action was already at the top, when the price action was preparing to retrace. I was sharing with you that if we get the ability to re-enter our trades or consolidate or increase the sizes, make sure you follow through from $13 and pump like that. Now, what does it mean for the future, the great reaction at $13 major support zone? It means strength for touching the $18 supply zone. $18 supply zone is going to form a behavior of a double top, and you need to expect that in a rally that we just had right now, market movements that are looking like this are pretty often. Right? So if you see this, you're not supposed to be upset, you're not supposed to be scared, and you're not supposed to be in danger. You need to handle that, and I'm telling you before they happen so you can prepare and know how to approach it. Knowing how to approach stands with other things like with your knowledge and skills, but with the information on the fact that this is how Chainlink will behave, that this is something important to be aware of. Because during this market movements, a lot of the people get liquidated, a lot of the people lose money big time on stop losses. What happens as soon as we touch the supply area? You face a selling pressure. Supply areas are facing a selling pressure, so a markdown that essentially would not cross I would say 30 to 40% of what we have increased from the previous support level as a zone of demand zone, right? So, 30 to 40% downwards, and then you continue something very close to the previous top. And then you continue, guys. This is extremely essential at the end of the day. So we're looking forward basically having the process considered as the most significant for Chainlink. And just like the other cryptocurrencies that are performing well today, especially with the start of the week, we can still continue aggressively upwards. And this is how the rally still looks like. When it comes down to bigger movements, well, 22 bucks right there, $24 right there are future targets that we also expect. The only thing we actually need to perform before we touch those will be a very, very strong structure of bullishness to be built on the future demand level, current supply level. This is what we are trading right now, and where are we positioned. I'm looking forward to sharing with you updates in the future, and make sure to stick with me till the end. Like the video, subscribe to the channel just like I said, and if you care about your education, especially if you're trading or if you would like to become a trader, make sure to subscribe. Check out your possibilities on Calendly, and I'm looking forward to it.